Hi guys, this is Dan from In-Car Music, and today we've upgraded the stereo in this Lexus IS 2010 with a 10-inch Android screen. The screen also supports the factory AC controllers. Wireless CarPlay. Where you have directly from your phone Waze.
In 100 meters, turn right on Midland Road.
All your agenda, Spotify, Amazon Music, straight from your phone. You even have Siri. Open Maps. We also installed the DAB dongle, so you can have digital radio. We also installed the front dash camera connected to the screen, which records your journey for any unwanted incidents. Reverse parking camera with guidelines. You can even do split screen feature. So as you can see, on the left side we have Netflix, and on the right side we have YouTube playing. So you can put either maps or music on the same screen.